Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. We are 𝒑𝒑 Solutions, a registered IT company. And in this video, we're going to show you how to add product categories, subcategories, and expense categories in eSalesAnalyst point of sale software. Before you start, before adding inventory, it's important to set up your product categories and subcategories based on your business. To do this, click on the Product module, go to the Categories module, and hit that Add button. What's your business type? Think about it. What do you sell? What categories make sense for your business? For example, if you own a medical store, your categories might be human medicine, cosmetic items, if you sell cosmetics, surgical items, veterinary items, if you also sell animal medicine. If you're running a hardware, paint, plywood, or similar business, your categories could include hardware, paint, plywood items, electric items. And if you're in the mobile and accessories business, you might go for used mobiles, new mobiles, mobile accessories. Hash adding details, don't skip this. While creating a new product category, don't forget to add a description and an image. To upload an image, just click on Choose Image, pick your file, and boom, it's added. Why does this matter? Because when you integrate your system with an online store, images make your products stand out beautifully. We'll explore this cool feature in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Once everything looks good, just hit Save and your category is ready to go. Adding product subcategories. Get organized. To break down your main product categories into smaller, more specific sections, go to the Subcategories module and click Add. For example, in medicated items, you may have syrups, suspensions, tablets, capsules, injections. For cosmetics, your subcategories could be shampoos, creams, lotions. And you can even go further. Under lotions, you might add hair removal lotions, baby lotions. The same applies to hardware and mobile accessories, where you might create subcategories like batteries, Bluetooth devices. Remember, you can also add images and descriptions to make everything look professional. Made a mistake? No worries. Just click Edit, make your changes, and save again. Need to remove something? Easy. Click the delete icon, confirm, and it's gone. Expense categories. Keep track of every penny. Want to stay on top of your business expenses? You need expense categories. Head over to the Expense module, click Expense Categories List, and then hit Add. In the name field, add your types like utility bills, repairs and maintenance, bike fuel, bike repairs, meals and food, shop rent. And if something doesn't fit into any of these, just create an Other category. Final touch, don't forget to save. Click Save or use the shortcut Ctrl+S and your expenses will be recorded. What's next? Now that your categories and subcategories are set up, it's time to start adding inventory. We'll cover that in the next video,